Hello everybody, today we're going to solve a system of linear equation using substitution method. We have 3x minus y equal 10 and 2x plus 5y equal negative 16. Now in order to solve a system using substitution method, you need to isolate one variable on either side of the equation. So you either isolate x or y from the first equation, or x from the second equation and y from the second equation. A good choice to select would be a variable that have a coefficient of 1 or a coefficient of -1 like we have here. So you might want to isolate y from the first equation. So if we do that, what's going to happen? So let's go ahead and write it down here. We have 3x minus y equal to 10. That's our first equation. Isolate y. We subtract -3x on both sides of the equation. That cancels, and we end up with -y equal to -3x plus 10. Now, remember, we are solving for y. We are isolating y. We need to divide by -1, or we multiply by -1. So if we divide by -1, what's going to happen is that we flip the signs. So this is going to become y equal to negative divided by negative. That's positive 3x. Positive divided by negative, that's -10. So we solved for y from the first equation. So we're able to isolate y. What we're going to be doing is we're going to substitute the expression for y we just found in the second equation. So we're going to replace y in the second equation with 3x minus 10. So let's see. We have 2x plus 5. And then we replace y with 3x minus 10. And that's going to be equal to -16. And now we solve for x. Okay? Now we have an equation with only x. So we have to distribute here. So we get 2x plus 5 times 3x, that's 15x. 5 times -10, that's -50. Equals to -16. Now combining like terms, 15x plus 2x, that gives us 17x minus 15 equal to -16. Now we need to solve for x. Now we have a linear equation, so we need to isolate x. We add 50 on both sides of the equation, so we get 17x. This cancels. -16 plus 50, or 50 minus 16, that will give us 34. Now solving for x, we have to divide both sides of the equation by 17. So this and this cancels. Now you're left with x equal 34 divided by 17, and that would give us 2. So now we solve for one variable, x. Now we need to solve for y. You have an option to solve for y using the first equation, the second equation, or the one we just solved for. So I would choose this one as it would be the easiest, okay? So replacing x with 2, we get what? We get y equal 3 times x, which is 2, minus 10. So y equal 3 times 2 is 6 minus 10, which gives us -4. So the solution to the system of linear equation would be the point xy. X in this case 2, y would be -4. So this is the solution to the system of linear equation, which is the point of intersection. I hope you find this video helpful. See you next video. Bye-bye, everyone.